Hey guys, this is a rounding numbers with worded problems. All the lovely things you like, numbers and words. So let's begin. A factory produced 18,742 toys in 1 month. Round this number to the nearest thousand. Now, I want you to look at the hundreds digit. This is the easiest way I can teach you. Look at the hundreds digit. Now I've labelled it, which you might want to do or feel comfortable doing. Now we need to round this number. Is 7. This is the number we need to round. Now we have 742. And of course 7 is above our magic number of 5. So we're going to round up. So the answer to this is going to be 19,000 toys. So that's been rounded up. Does that make sense? So we've looked at the hundreds digit here, the one next to it, next to the thousand. Do another one. A marathon is 42,195 meters long. Round this distance to the nearest 100 meters. Now, if it's to the nearest 100 meters, I want you to look at the 10th digit, which is here. Now, this is, again, over 5. So we're going to round up. And the answer to this one is going to be 42,200. So it wanted us to find it in the nearest 100 meters, okay? Hopefully you understand that. The population of a city is estimated to be 1284567. What is the population rounded to the nearest 10,000? So look at the thousand digit. So we've got 1,000 here. 4. What does it do? It rounds down. We're going to round down because it's below 5. So to round down to the nearest 10,000, it is going to be 1, 2, 8, 0, 0, 0, and another 0. That's right. It's because that is below. So we're rounding all of this down to the nearest 10,000, and this is our 10,000. So all of that is being rounded down. Sarah brought a laptop for £1,249, round the price to the nearest £100, so it's the nearest 100. So when you look at the 10th digit, 10th digit is 4. It's below 5, so we're going to round down. So that becomes £1,200. Next, a library has 5,478 books. Round the number of books to the nearest 1,000. It's the nearest 1,000, so look at the hundredths digit, which is 4. It's below, so we're going to round down. So the answer is going to be 5,000 books. I hope this is making sense, guys. Trying to make it as simple as possible. The distance between two towns is 64,384 kilometres. Round this distance to the nearest 10,000 kilometres. Well, we now know that we need to look at the thousand digit, which is 7. And that is above our magic number, which is 5. So we're rounding up. So the answer to this one is going to be 70,000. That's 70,000 kilometres. Because it was the nearest 10,000, which was a 7, so we're going to round up. The school raised £3,972 for charity. Round this amount to the nearest £1,000. Look at the 100 digit, because it's the nearest £1,000, and the 100 digit is going to be 9. So what do you guys think? What do you think we should do now? We are going to round up because it's above 5. And that is quite simply £4,000. So there we have it. Hope you found that fairly easy. As I said, look at my red notes. That will help you to round off and what column to look at. Okay, bye.